Welcome back. Renovation of Lone Theatre Alankar in Mapsa, 49% reservation of shops to Mapshakars, reduction in shop rent in municipal area from 10% to 5% and hike in daily wages for workers. The Mapsa Municipal Council's meeting on Monday took these major decisions. While in a council meeting at Murgaon, municipal councillors appealed the municipality to save houses at Kharivado.
ही भाडेवाड जी 10% आसली आनी व्यापाऱ्यांक त्याचो म्हणजे मातसो ताका चड जड जातालें तांकां तो आयज आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन डिसिजन घेतला की तो 5% पर एनम करपाचो. इट हॅज बीन रेफर्ड बॅक टू द सब कमिटी विथ सर्टन टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरन्स एंड विथ दॅट इट विल हॅव टू बी अगेन पुट बिफोर द काउंसिल फॉर टेकिंग द सुटेबल डिसिजन. So 49% of the shops or stalls which will go on auction will be reserved for Mapsekars. So this is a...
Meanwhile, the issue of houses at Kharivado came to fore at the special meeting of Mormuga Municipal Council on Monday. Councillors want the houses to be saved.
बेश्टी नांव पिड्यार पोताय काउन्सिलर घर मोडटाय आनी कोण घर मोडटाय आमकां आमचीं घर जाय. आमचे आख्खे काउन्सिल मेंबरान म्हाका सांगलां काउन्सिलरांनी सांगलो आमी तुमची बारा आहाय आनी घर केन्ना मोडूं दिवचें ना.
Parekar, when he came to the top with MP, he had promised the people that he is going to save these houses. But today they are not getting a positive reply from the MP.
आम्ही गोंयकार आमकां जागे खूंय आमकां कांय ना गोंयकारांक केन्ना जागे नासलो गोंयकार आसताय आनी आसलो तेवूय कोत्ताय तुमी रावताय थिंगाय.
Municipal Chief Officer says he needs to study the matter.
हांवें जेन्ना चार्ज घेतला तो पर्यंत म्हाजे कडेन ती फायल येवना पण कन्सर्न जी फायल आसा तेजी हांवें अजून स्टडी करूं ना आनी जेन्ना ती स्टडी करतलो आनी तेजे वयल्यान जें कितें एप्रोप्रिएट जें एक्शन आसा न्ही तें हांव घेतलो.
Dishant Parab and Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa is facing a dip in tourism while the season is at its peak. Tourism Minister Dilip Parolekar says special packages to neighbouring destinations like Thailand and Sri Lanka have led to drop in the tourist inflow to Goa. He admitted the fact that number of Russian tourists has dropped by 45% this year. Congress feels it's time to focus on the NRI credit flow as the fourth major contributor to the state economy.
Russians contribute almost 40% of foreign tourists in Goa, followed by British tourists. While the state faces stiff competition in the international tourism sector, Tourism Department is taking newer initiative to attract tourists in the state.
पर्यटकाची संख्या जी आहे बेसिकली मागच्या दिवसात थोडी घटली होती हे मी मान्य करेन. त्याच्यासाठी पुष्कळ कारणं आहेत जी विदेशीवरून पर्यटक येणारे आहेत. हे पर्यटक बेसिकली फ्रॉम रशिया त्यांच्या चलनामध्ये पुष्कळ घट झालेली आहे. म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट त्यांचा जो रुबल्स होता ऑलमोस्ट 55% म्हणजे 45% कमी झाला आहे. म्हणजे आज 55% वरती आहे. दुसरे जी लोक आहेत त्या लोकांसाठी अजून मार्ग म्हणजे अजून डेस्टिनेशन खुली झाली आहे. एक्झाम्पल म्हणून थायलंड, बँकॉक, आपले श्रीलंका तिकडे डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिव्हिटी फ्लाईटची असल्या कारणानं दिल्लीवरून इकडे येणारा आजची फ्लाईटची तिकीट आहे 18,000 ते 20,000 रुपये. तिकडे जाऊन 3 दिवस किंवा 4 दिवस थांबून परत इकडे येण्यापर्यंत आपल्याला 35,000 रुपये पॅकेज दिलं जातं.
Congress feel it's time to focus on NRI credit flow. Three major sources of economy, mining, manufacturing sector and now the tourism, have almost collapsed. NRI remittance is the only fuel sustaining the state economy. Congress has now set up a NRI Global Goan Cell.
The industry, tourism is showing its strains of a collapse. Mining, which has come to a grinding halt, it is the only NRI remittances which are fueling the economy of the state of Goa. In Goa, and this is the first time we have got such a cell at the national level. NRI Global Goan Cell. Nearly 5 lakh Goans are working abroad. The cells should open channels of communications for mutual benefit, or we should provide a private business sector.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Kaukar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.